ready?
Yeah, we going back. We going back. They better find out. Yeah, here we go. Pull up.
What am I just squishing him? Someone's gonna like.
Why are you slowing
I don't
down?
know. Are they gonna get out of the way?
Yeah, but you slowed down so they're not in any hurry. What are you doing? Weakest driver for a drive-by. What are you doing? Back up.
I'm gonna
Back up and rail through them. They pulled up on me on my ones. I had to defend this car.
I don't want any like getting dead on my, you know, like.
They won't.